Hello, I am Milind at WATTHOUR Private Limited, and we are creating sodium-ion batteries, and we have created few cells using different variety of cathodes. I am a mechanical engineer from IIT Madras 98 batch, and my other team members are postdoctoral, and they have done postdoctoral in material sciences, and they have used variety of cathodes to create sodium-ion batteries. We are providing this not as a replacement of lithium batteries, but in addition to lithium batteries, because the demand is very huge. In India, the demand will be around 500 gigawatt hour by 2035. Indian government is trying to create environment to so that so so that this demand can be fulfilled. And at present, I think there are only few players who are creating plant. I think in Jamnagar, Reliance is trying to create a plant of 5 gigawatt hour that will be